So before doing the exercise, I just want you to just understand the meaning of apostrophe. Now, simple rule is that when you see S with the word, you are supposed to put apostrophe outside. Okay, whether it is singular, whether it is plural, doesn't matter. So if in the end there is S, you have to write apostrophe outside. For example, if I give you one example, like student, जैसे कि उसने आंसर बताया था, I think that it is plural, maybe saksham नहीं, yes. So students bags, okay, are lying, whatever the sentence is, are lying. But my question is, this is not the reason that they are plural, then you will write apostrophe outside. Now I would like to ask you, children. Children is the plural word. So where you will put apostrophe? You will put here, then you will write children's bags are lying on the floor. So first sentence plural is there, second sentence plural is there. सो यू जस्ट डोंट कीप इन माइंड कि ये प्लूरल है या सिंगुलर है, जस्ट थिंक दैट अगर लास्ट पे एस लिखा हुआ है, एट लास्ट इफ एस इज देयर देन यू विल पुट apostrophe outside. If there is no s, like in children there is no s, then you will put apostrophe, then you will write s yourself. Similarly, I gave you example of Mr. Das. He's I think singular, ठीक है, the name is singular, still we put apostrophe outside. क्यों? क्योंकि इसके लास्ट पे क्या लिखा था? s. Okay, Mr. Das bag is lying uh, on the floor, whatever the sentence is. So only one thing you will keep in mind, अगर s आ गया last पे, then you will put apostrophe outside. If there is no s, then you will put apostrophe then s. I hope it's clear. So whether it is singular, whether it is plural, doesn't matter, only s matters. अगर s है तो बाहर, नहीं s है तो पहले apostrophe then s. I hope it's clear. Now let's start exercise on page 157. Read the following sentences and put commas where they are required. Now I'm giving you 1 minute to do so, and we'll not go order wise. I will ask you, tell me number 7, tell me number 5, like that randomly. So you have to complete it quickly. I'm giving you 1 minute to do so, and your time starts now. Last 30 seconds. It's not necessary to put comma. If you think that it is not required, then leave it. Only 37 participants are there. Almost only half of the class is there. I don't know where. बाकी कहाँ गए मुझे नहीं पता. Chaliye beta, let's start now. First one is Saksham Many on my screen. So I'll give you chance turn by turn. Yes, Saksham, tell me answer number 5.
Ma'am, 5.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
after no. Ma'am, comma after no.
Okay, comma after no. Okay, well done. So I request all the students to mute them side by side. Okay, next is Sana. Sana, number 7.
मैम कपबोर्ड्स के बाद है कॉमा.
Okay. The hall has 2 cupboards, then pause, then a study table and many chairs. Okay, well done. So next one is Raymond on my screen. Raymond, please tell me number 3.
Mother has asked you to bring sugar after sugar, comma, and milk. After milk and sugar.
Okay, fine.
2 commas.
Okay, fine. Well done. So next one is I'll give chance, beta, if your video is on. Adnan, keep turn on your video, then I'll give you chance. Otherwise, no. Okay, yes. So tell me answer number 2.
मैम आंसर नंबर 2 है नो के बाद आएगा. मैं आफ्टर नो.
Okay, after no and yes, we write comma. Okay, okay, well done. Next one is Ekansh. Ekansh, keep your video on. I'll just give you chance then. Okay, Somil. Somil, number 4.
मैम लंच के बाद कॉमा.
Okay, well done. So whenever we ask someone question and when we call his or her name or mother, father, we have to put comma first. Okay, the next one is Sia. Sia, please unmute yourself. Sia, my question is last. If you don't listen to me, you will be lost. Number 8. No, I'm not able to hear you. Okay, Ekansh, number 8.
Ma'am, after if you don't listen.
If you don't listen के बाद बेटा, I think here.
Ma'am, if हो जाएगा फिर.
If you don't listen to me, then generally we have a pause. ठीक है, अभी line बोल के देखो, आपका pause देखो कहाँ पे आ रहा है. If you don't listen to me, you will be lost. If you don't listen to me, इसके बाद थोड़ा सा pause, then you will be lost. Okay. Okay. Next one is please find everyone. Please raise your hand. I want some different students also. Yes, Anandita. Anandita, unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Tell me number कौन सा रह गया? Number 6. Yes, number 6, beta.
Ma'am, the participants were very talented. Ma'am, talented but trauma और
Ma'am, full के बाद trauma आना है.
Full के बाद no need, beta. Okay, I can accept this thing that talented के बाद comma आएगा. Full stop doesn't look nice here, but talented के बाद बेटा comma आएगा. That I accept क्योंकि full stop is not looking good here. But after full, no need of comma. So
Okay,
the
ma'am.
participants were talented. Many of them, you can just write this M as small.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So next one, only one is left. Sanjay is a smart and intelligent boy. There is no need of comma. This is already correct. So we have done this exercise. I hope it's clear. Now quickly move to next exercise on the same page. बिल्कुल bottom पे एक sentence दिया हुआ है. ये वाली exercise still 8 sentences are there. यहाँ पे आपको full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, जहाँ पे भी आपको लग रहा है you have to put that. And your time starts now. You have 1 minute again. Ekant, do you have doubt or you just raised hand for answer?
Ma'am, for answer.
Okay, give me beta 1 minute so that everyone can complete it. I'll ask you randomly, everyone. I'll ask you, tell me number 5, 6, 7, like that. Quickly do it. Okay, 30 seconds, beta. We have, I think, more exercises to do. Only 30 seconds are left. Okay, beta, let's start now. First is they will come on Sunday. So which punctuation mark is required here? Saksham Singh, 5th B.
Ma'am, full stop.
Full stop is required. Okay, let me put full stop here. और जब भी आपको पंचुएशन का क्वेश्चन आएगा यू विल जस्ट पुट फुल स्टॉप लाइक दैट डार्क सा, ठीक है, ताकि सबको दिखे. ओके, वेल डन. सो नेक्स्ट इज आशिमा. आशिमा, प्लीज टेल मी नंबर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अनम्यूट, टेल मी नंबर 6.
Roshni is taller than Diya. Ma'am, full stop.
Okay, full stop, well done. Next one is, let me find out one different student जिसको मैंने कभी टर्न नहीं दी. Okay, Anshuman. Anshuman, पहले तो please turn on your video. That is very scary photo. And tell me answer number. I'll tell you which answer you have to tell. No, he has lost, I think. I'm finding the students जिनकी video on है. Okay, Himang.
Ma'am, which one?
1 second, Himang. Who's speaking in between? Okay, Anshuman, give me 1 minute. After Himang, you will get turn. Himang, tell me number 3.
Ma'am, what a pity, ma'am. Exclamation mark.
And pity spelling is wrong here. Single T is there. Okay, you can cut 1 T. Okay, what a pity. What a pity, sign of exclamation. Pity का किसी को मतलब पता है? Himang, do you know?
Ma'am, बेचारा.
Yes, किसी पे तरस आना. Yes, बेचारा. Well done. Next is Anshuman. Anshuman, now please, are you unmuted? Anshuman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my question is 7th one, number 7.
How is your father? Question mark.
Okay, question mark. Okay, well done. Next is, let me find out किसकी video on है. Mokshit. Mokshit, please unmute yourself and tell me number 8.
Ma'am, question mark.
How cute the child is. Beta, this thing we suddenly, speak when we see a very nice child.
Exclamation आएगा.
Yes. Sign of exclamation. Well done, beta. So next is Saksham Singh got turn, Ashima, Adnan. Okay, Amanpreet Singh, unmute yourself. Amanpreet. Okay, my question is, beta, number 5.
Question number 5. Where are you coming from? Question mark.
Tell me number 2 also.
Number. Don't run in the class. Exclamation. No.
This is simply, beta, yes. Okay. Somil, last one. Which is left? Please tell me and tell me the answer. Okay, number 4.
मैम फुल स्टॉप आएगा.
Okay, so we have done this exercise also. Now the next exercise, again you have 1 minute. Quickly do it. Your time starts now. 1 minute. Page number 159. Top पे एक exercise दी हुई, use apostrophe. 159. Thirty seconds to go. I'm writing 7 and 8 also. Please do that also. On the screen you can see. चलिए बेटा, let's start now. I'm starting with okay, Lavnoor, please turn on your video and then tell me. I'll tell you which answer you have to tell me. Lavnoor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Still, I'm not able to see you. Please turn on your video.
Ma'am.
Okay. So my question is number 6.
Do not run in class.
Here I should put apostrophe. Yes.
Between the N and T.
Yes, here don't or didn't or doesn't. Here we need apostrophe. Okay, well done. Next is Rachit. Rachit, please tell me number 7.
मैम जेम्स बुक है। मैम जेम्स का जो एस है मैम उसके बाद आएगा एपोस्ट्रोफी।
Here?
मैम यस।
Here? Okay. James' book has been lost. James is the beta singular. Still, it has S in the ending. So whenever we see S, we have to put apostrophe outside. Okay, well done. Next is Adnan. Adnan, please tell me numbers 2. Number 2.
Ma'am, Maya. Ma'am, before yes.
Before S. Okay. Before S. Well done, beta. Next is Mokshit. Okay, Mokshit again. Mokshit, number 3.
Ma'am 3. Ma'am lions.
Before S or
Before.
after S? Okay, before.
Ma'am before S.
Okay. और बेटा अगर यहाँ पे R होता, the lion's legs are injured, फिर कहाँ पे आना था?
Ma'am after S.
Yes, फिर after S because तब lion ने plural हो जाना था. Well done. Next is Ashima. Ashima, please unmute. Ashima, number 8, बेटा.
Ma'am, after S.
After S, students' books will be checked. Okay, well done. So next one is Sana. Sana, please tell me number 1.
मैम ब्रदर्स के मैम एस के पहले.
Brothers के S before S. Okay, fine. Next is Sia. Sia, please unmute and tell me number 4. Yes, speak up, beta. I'm not able to hear you. You can remove the headphones for 1 minute. I think there's one problem in your mic. बेटा हेडफोन को उतार ही दो फोन से या लैपटॉप जो भी आप यूज कर रहे हो. Now speak up. Try to speak up. No, beta, there is I think problem in your mic. You should check your mic after the class. Okay. Next is Saksham Singh, 5th B. Beta, 4th same. Number 4.
Ma'am before S, Sophia.
Riaz. Okay, before S. Only one is left. Raymond. Number 6. Number 6.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 6th one is done.
Okay, it's done. Okay, I think I forgot. Okay, then I think we have done all. So please do next exercise. Your time starts now. 1 minute. Quickly. बेटा सॉल्व करने से पहले प्लीज ये 2 एग्जांपल्स देख लो विच इज ऑन द स्क्रीन है, आपकी बुक्स में भी है. रवि सेड कॉमा, देन व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू से द एग्जैक्ट डायलॉग ऑफ समवन, फिर आपको अपोस्ट्रोफी सॉरी कोटेशन मार्क्स डालने हैं. ठीक है, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास भी बोलते हैं इनको. सो ओपन योर पेज 27 ऑफ योर बुक, कॉमा, देन इसका end, then said Mrs. Verma. Please see the examples, then accordingly solve your exercise. रेमन, इतनी नींद आ रही है बेटा? Okay. I think we should start, नहीं तो हमारी next exercise नहीं होगी, ठीक है? Let's start now. तो लास्ट मैंने रेमन को चांस दिया था, बट एक्सरसाइज वाज ऑलरेडी डन. नाउ रेमन विल स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will put inverted commas before where and after question mark of Rohit. Where is Rohit?
Okay, asked Johnny. Okay, wait. Yes, Adnan, second number.
Ma'am, second he is waiting outside. Inverted comma.
यहाँ पे इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स कॉमर्स के बाद या कॉमा से पहले बेटा?
Ma'am, comma से पहले.
कॉमा बाद में आएगा. आर यू श्योर? सी द सेकंड एग्जांपल.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, set के पहले.
Yes, said के पहले. Yes, comma will come inside. Okay. So next one is some different one, please. Ekansh. Kaushalinder. Yes, Kaushalinder. Number 3. I want sweets, shouted the child.
Ma'am, we will put inverted comma before I and after sweets.
Comma, what about comma? It will go outside or inside the inverted comma?
I'm inside.
Okay, यहाँ पे fine. I want to change it. Wait. Okay, beta, this is inverted comma. Please write yourself. ठीक है, comma के बाद. Okay, the next one is wait. Let me find out one student who hasn't got turn today. Okay, then Ekansh. After that, Anshuman. Same students are raising hands. Yes, Ekansh. Number 4.
मैम यस से लेकर मैम तक इन्वर्टेड कॉमा.
Yes, ma'am. और यहाँ पे बेटा अंदर एक कॉमा भी आएगा. With simple sentence you have to write comma. Comma उसके बाद inverted commas. Okay. Next
Okay,
one
ma'am.
is Anshuman. Anshuman, unmute please. After that, just Noor. Anshuman, you are a good singer, said the teacher.
Ma'am, before you and after singer comma.
Okay, here. Okay, well done. Next is just Noor. Just Noor, don't shout in class.
मैम डोंट से लेके क्लास तक इन्वर्टेड कोमा.
Okay, well done. So बेटा सारे कॉमर्स की पोजीशन चेंज हो गई ड्यू टू जस्ट आई चेंज्ड द स्क्रीन. So please write down, don't shout in class like this, inverted commas, like just Noor said. Okay, so this is the end of this exercise also, I hope. So one exercise is left only because exercise I is your homework. No, not I. F exercise is your homework. There is one story. You have to write it yourself. But we'll discuss E exercise quickly. We have just 2 to 3 minutes left. Maybe 2 minutes left. So quickly better do a one exercise. Next one. 5 sentences are there. Shall we start directly? I don't think so. You need time for this. So Saksham Singh, you are the first one on my screen. Saksham Singh, 5th B. Tomorrow is a holiday. Please tell me the answer, beta.
मैम तुम्हारा का टी कैपिटल होगा.
Tomorrow T should be capital. Okay, well done. Next is Ashima, second one on my screen. Yes, Ashima, my favorite movie is the Superman.
मैम माई का मैम M कैपिटल एंड सुपरमैन का S कैपिटल.
Okay, beta, The Superman is the full name of the story, movie, The Superman. So T and H both will be capital, The Superman, okay? So next, Raymond, you got turned so many times. So, okay, Rachit, I study in modern school. Rachit, unmute. Okay, no response. Saksham Mani, yes, Saksham. I study in modern school.
I should be capital. I should be capital.
And anything else?
Ma'am, no.
बेटा मॉडर्न स्कूल इज द नेम ऑफ द स्कूल. ये वो वाला मॉडर्न नहीं है कि मैं एक बड़े एडवांस स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ. मॉडर्न
ma'am.
स्कूल इज द नेम.
Ma'am, so M and S should be capital.
Modern school. Okay. So next one, Amanpreet also got turn so many times. चलो मोक्षित को देते हैं टर्न. Okay, मोक्षित, where has Jyoti gone?
मैम वेयर का W और ज्योति का J.
Okay, good. Okay, the last one, I don't know where is the page. मेरे page show नहीं हो रहा. One sentence is there. So we will ask Himang. Himang, please tell me the answer. I met Ankit at the party.
I and
Ma'am, I should be capital and ma'am, A of Ankit should be capital.
Okay. I should be capital and Ankit should be capital. So no matter beta I where we write I अगर middle में भी आ जाए तो I is always capital. ठीक है, हम कभी भी उसको small नहीं लिखते. So Ankit A capital and I. So I hope you understood now all the concept, the whole concept of punctuation, apostrophe also. So F part is your homework. Okay, I'll meet you on Monday. We have period on Monday also, and we will do tenses. Please beta join your class on time. Tenses are very important. You have to join on time and listen to me very carefully from Monday onwards. वैसे तो हमेशा ही सुनना चाहिए अच्छे से, but Monday कुछ ज़्यादा attentive होके आना, ठीक है? चलो, I'll meet you on Monday. Bye bye beta. Take care.